into the new season with a delicious and balanced diet. Lisa is here to show us a yummy and healthy recipe. Lisa, thank you so much for coming in.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All right, so what is this recipe called? What are we going to be making?
Okay, I'm calling it spring chicken salad because I thought that was kind of a cute name. And we have chicken and we have all the seasonal springy vegetables we're going to put in it.
All right, so let's talk specifically about the ingredients that we're going to use.
Okay, so specifically about the chicken, what I do is I take chicken breast and cut it up into bite-sized pieces, put it in a bowl, drizzle some olive oil on there, salt and pepper, lemon juice, garlic powder.
Okay, easy enough.
So easy, mix it all up. I don't really measure, I just kind of measure with my heart and I just do whatever feels right. Because I
measure with your heart.
Measure with your heart. Because I feel like when I look at a recipe, I'm like, don't tell me how much garlic to put. I'm going to put how much I want to put. So
That's how I am with cheese. Don't tell me how much cheese I need.
Same. Yep, so just do whatever you want as far as that goes. We mix it up. If you want to stick it in the fridge and marinate it a little bit, you can. Or you can just cook it right up right away in the pan.
Okay.
While that's going, we're going to prep our vegetables. So we have kale, and what I like to do with kale is massage it to get it like more tender and not so coarse and icky. And so we're going to massage it with avocado, actually. So we're going to kind of get messy.
And it's so colorful. It's so pretty because I've heard if your diet is healthy, it looks like the rainbow.
Yes, exactly. We're going to put some lemon juice in there too.
Squeeze a little bit of lemon.
Just
do you want me to do this one?
Oh, sure.
I'm like, I kind of want to be a little helpful.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, we got the lemon juice.
Okay, so then we want to get in there with our hands and massage it. Let me see if this, well, you know, I'm just going to use my hand, okay?
She was going to try to not be as messy, but being messy is more fun.
Yeah, so we're going to get it in massage until it gets tender. And, you know what, let me talk about the other vegetables while
you're massaging it. Yeah. So it looks like we have some beets.
Yes.
Beets and cucumbers and radishes and peas.
And then these are called microgreens. I got them at Trader Joe's.
Well,
They're
they
just
look
like little sprouts.
Okay.
Yeah, basically the same thing. I think it's like sprouts of different kinds of vegetables, and they just like put them all in the same.
Right. And then I have this napkin all ready to go.
Thank you so much.
When you get, because this is fun. You can actually do this with your kids
totally.
for summer.
That'd be
have
so
them
fun.
get in there, have them get messy, because then they'll eat their vegetables.
Then they will. They'll be like, look at this fun thing, and I'm going to eat it now. Okay,
so I'm going to let you, I'll give you this, and you tell me what to put in while you wipe your hands off.
Okay, let's go ahead and put the beets in.
All right, got the beets.
Got the beets. So these are just all the fun seasonal springy vegetables.
It smells so fresh. All right, what else is next?
Let's put in the cucumber.
All right. Cucumbers are actually my favorite vegetable. When I was a kid, I hated them, but as an adult, they are like my jam.
Yeah, they're so refreshing. That's how I am with avocado, actually. I used to hate it as a kid, and now I love it. So,
all right, then what do we have?
Then we put in peas.
I just grabbed the peas.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Do whatever order you want.
All right.
Put it in with your heart.
Then what do you got?
Okay, we'll put in the radishes.
Okay. And then
this could be fun for like Easter time or whatever. And then, then our little sprouts.
And then I'm not going to put too much in because I don't want to overload it. And then we're going to mix it up. We have about 30 seconds left. Lisa, this is an amazing recipe. Where can people follow you to get more healthy, yummy recipes?
Okay, my Instagram account is DelishDime. And then also if you go to the link in my bio for my Instagram, I just created an e-cookbook with a bunch of salad and bowl recipes, so you can download it there.
Yummy. Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, look at how beautiful this looks. And then we'll put like a couple of pieces of chicken on top.
Perfect.
There we go. And then I need to try this before we wrap up.
Okay.
Well, Lisa, thank you so much for coming in and bringing us this yummy recipe.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
It's yummy.
Thank you so much.